So I'm logged in as Jane, and Jane is now friends with the profile we've been working on. I just want to show you what it looks like when she's looking at that profile. So I showed you the feed. That's where she can see all the recent activity that I've been doing. She can see my profile that I filled out earlier. My friends, which is only her right now, and then there's the badges section. You can see the photos. And down below here is the food diary. The only reason she can see this is because I went into the preferences and made it public. Otherwise, it wouldn't be right here. So she can see everything I've been adding to my food diary right here, as well as my fitness. And she can go to the full diary right here. Give it a second to load, and then there it is. This goes day by day for everything I've entered. Some other options, just go back, can send a message, and just type whatever, and just like any other social networking site, you can send a message. And then here's that profile over here, and if I go to my inbox, that message should show up. There it is. So that's looking at a friend's profile and sending them a message.